kitchen. My name is Recipe Sambarai. Pasta with chicken. Ingredients: chicken, salt, tomato, onion, pasta, water, oil. First boil the water in saucepan. 1 teaspoon salt. And that oil. And pasta. Let cool for 5 minutes. After that, add some chicken and ketchup and salt. Add more condiments, tomato, onion. Finally, the cream pasta. Finally, grind pasta with chicken. Ingredients: pasta, salt, oil, water, tomato, onions, chicken. 1. First, boil the water. Get a sauce. Try with a drop of oil. Some chicken and tomatoes. Put them gently. Add the pasta in boiling water. Add some oregano and seasonings. Pepper, salt to the sauce. Everything. Finally, join the pasta and put them as tape and cheese. Share and enjoy.
¿Cómo le mandan ese con la soca brota?